Hello everyone out there, this is the Prodigy, and guys, we're just launching this new company where we're gonna build your credit score within 6 months to a year. Even if you're at 100 credit score, if you're at 3, 4, we're gonna make sure you're gonna be able to get that 750 to 800 credit score within the next 6 months to a year or even sooner. Guys, we've been helping people and getting them on the right track. Ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to show you my credit score was at 400 just a couple years ago. All of y'all know I make tons of money, but that doesn't mean that fixes my credit score. So guys, what we're recently doing is, we're launching a new company where we're actually able to boost your credit score that fast. So you're able to get loans, you're able to get into that new house, you're able to start businesses, you're able to get into that new car, whatever you need. Guys, I just want you to know, credit is better than money, especially in America, ladies and gentlemen. So going from a 400 to a 750 credit score in 3 to 4 months, guys, that was a blessing. Not only are we going to be helping you get your credit score to where you need it, you're also going to get a lawyer on standby 24/7 that's going to be able to fight any cases you have, fight for any of your rights in America. Guys, we're hooking you up. And I know you're probably like, well, what is this going to cost me? Am I going to be putting $300 or $400 a month? No. We're only charging you $25 a month to fix your credit score and to give you a lawyer on standby whenever you need them. You're going to have them. Guys, something like this, a lawyer alone, you're paying thousands just to fight one case. You're paying thousands to other companies just to get your credit score, to 500 to 600, which is not going to do anything for you. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity to change your life, to get you a lawyer on standby. Guys, I want to make sure that you're, in that home, in new cars, being able to do what you want, getting loans, starting businesses.
I want to say something to our fans. Well, y'all not our fans. Y'all are our family. Y'all been here since day one. Who else can get y'all credit score at this for $25, you guys? $25. Who can beat that? No monthly plans, just $25. And also, I want to say thank y'all so much, family. Y'all are not my fans. Y'all are my family. I appreciate y'all so much. And I love you guys.
Yes, guys, you're not a customer, you're not a team member, you're family when you join the Prodigy family. We're going to make sure we do you right. We're going to make sure we're able to help you in the future, guys. And I want to thank everyone for supporting me in the last, almost 10 years of marketing, coming on my teams, doing the training, me being able to help you succeed. But guys, that my passion isn't the money you're sending me, the stuff I'm learning. My passion is to change lives, to change the world with the gifts God has given me. So changing one person's life at a time is changing the world little by little. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put my email in the description. If you're interested, email me. Also, my phone number's in the description. That's 239-362-6591.
Let them know you're getting a new number soon.
Yeah, and also, guys, I will be launching a new phone number just because I want to use this one for family. But that'll be in my next video. I'll be explaining that. But anyhow, guys, I look forward to hearing from you. The Prodigy family looks forward to hearing from you. And we look forward to making you part of our family. God bless and have a very great night.
Amen.